Left that city smoke behind, chased the mountain sky, built a home from cedar logs where the river runs high. Had a boy and a daughter, and a baby on the way, and the finest dark-haired woman God ever made. 2 winters strong, he fought the cold with his hands, chopped wood, built fences, carved life from the land. Cold spring morning, hit the store in town for nails and 2x4s to keep the chickens tied down. But the wolves came hungry, with fire in their eyes, smoke curling from the chimney while the daylight died. He stopped for flowers, thought love was enough, but the wolves beat him home and the night turned rough. Boot heels on the doorstep, timber on his back, petals in his pocket, still worn from the shack. The silence cut sharper than any knife he owned. His claw marks and ashes in a house turned to stone. Yeah, the wolves came hungry, with fire in their eyes, smoke curling from the chimney while the daylight died. He stopped for flowers, thought love was enough, but the wolves beat him home and the night turned rough. That mountain rifle in his hand, a ghost of a father, a broken-hearted man. Whiskey for the sorrow, bullets for the past, an outlaw by tomorrow, 'cause nothing good lasts. The wolves